But I really like it.
That same shoe?
Yeah.
Don't you see the video of you in the
No, I'm good. Wala lang. Toast. Alexa!
Showbiz Kachika TV.
Hello mga kachika! Ngayong araw nga July 25, 2026 ay gaganapin na nga ang concert ng ASAP XP sa Australia kung saan ito nga ay talaga namang star-studded. Pero bago pa nga ang kanilang concert ay talaga namang nakakatuwang ibinabahagi ng mga kapamilya na sila nga ay may iba't ibang ganap sa Australia. Katulad na nga lang ng latest post ni Miss Shasha Padilla, nilibre nga daw sila ng mag-asawang Ogie Alcacid at Regine Velasquez. Ang sabi nga niya, what a superb meal at Totis, graciously hosted by Ogie and Regine. Thank you for such a wonderful dinner, the warm company, and your generous hospitality. It was such a treat. Ang magkakasama nga sa treat ng mag-asawang Regine at Ogie ay sila Kyle Echari, Don Bell na sila Donnie Pangilinan at Bel Mariano, Alexa Ilacad, Darren Espanto, Robbie Domingo, Eric Santos, Mr. Martin Nevera, at Shasha Padilla. Kaya namang itong si Angeline Quinto ay napakomment ng, ayan Eric, sabi mo nasa Opera House kayo, pumunta ako doon, pagbalik ko tapos na kayo kumain, grabe ka Eric Santos. Miss Reg, Miss Shasha, ganyan po yan talaga si Eric Santos. Napakomment tuloy si Miss Shasha ng halaka Eric Santos. Samantala, meron namang isang netizen na napatanong. Ang sabi nga niya, I often wondered if you guys celebrities split the bill. Hehe, or one of you just pay for everything. Nag-reply nga si Miss Shasha to make it clear, sabi nga niya, we take turns in treating each other like when we were in Europe last September. So ayun na nga, hindi man sila nag-split ng bill, nag-treat naman daw sila sa each other, take turns kung baga. Halika at panoorin natin ang ilan sa mga video clips ganap na kanilang ibinahagi.
Sabi niya,
We're just gonna eat a lot. And bawal.
but I really like it.
That same shoe?
Yeah. What?
Gonza.
Sabi niya,
Eric?
Don't you see the video of you in the
No, I'm good. Wala lang. Toast. Alexa! Eric?
Don't you see the
Tignan mo naman ako ng... Oh my God! That looks like it smells
You dedicate the whole freaking show.
Hello, Sydney. Our second show is already sold out, so if you're planning to watch us tomorrow, please come and see our first show. It's a completely unique show, so we hope to see you. Please come and see us.
Anong masasabi nyo mga kachika? Just comment down below. And please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you!